Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We came here today to try their hair spa.
I want to flip her down.
She doesn't look real.
They gave us complimentary drink when we came in. It's pandan tea and it tastes so refreshingly good. Everyone should try the hair spa here in Vietnam. It's a very relaxing experience. This is one of our go-to place for barbecue. It's very filling and delicious. The quality of the food is 10 over 10. One of the delicious grilled beef restaurants is fresh tender beef and delicious dipping sauce. Grilling it yourself in the middle of the table was fun. We got beef wagyu short rib soup. Every time we come here, we need to have this. The beef was so good. Although the prices were on the high side, every aspect of the meal made it worth the splurge.
Let's go inside Vagabond.
The entrance to this restaurant is beautiful with many green trees and is quite airy.
Liquor cheesecake, and this is matcha latte.
This matcha with oat milk is also super delicious, one of the best cups of matcha I've ever had.
So now let's have a bite of the cheesecake.
The cakes and drinks has good quality, it's worth it. I really love the cakes here. They also have a lot of chocolate truffles and mini tarts that look so good. Complimentary sesame bread with butter was given and it was really so good. This sesame bread is my favorite. We're trying their calzone pizza for the first time today. I just found out that they sell calzone and we needed to try it.
Calzone pizza. So we're gonna cut it in half now.
Calzone is baked in an oven and stuffed with ham, mozzarella, ricotta, and parmesan or pecorino cheese as well as an egg. This calzone was so good, I can literally finish this all by myself. Delicious homemade calzone, really love the filling and the texture, just how I like it. Most of the dishes that we ordered that day were delicious. The steak was so good, it's highly recommended. We came here today to try their coffee because this cafe has so much good reviews.
Let's go inside.
This is their current limited coffee, so I decided to try.
And
The presentation of their coffee looks so professional. The cozy atmosphere coupled with the aromatic coffee creates a perfect spot for relaxation or productive work sessions. It offers an exceptional experience with a rich and smooth latte, making it a coffee lover's delight.
we just found a really cool and chill and aesthetic coffee shop here in District 2 coffee shop. They have a lot of variety for coffee, for tea, and for cakes as well.
They gave us salad for appetizer. After 5 minutes, we came in. Bon appetit!
Wagyu short rib beef soup.
We came here for the beef wagyu short rib soup, or galbitang in Korean. The soup is always served with Korean kimchi, which offsets its heaviness. The beef wagyu was so tender that every bite melts in your mouth. It's a hearty, nourishing soup with a delicate flavor. Galbitang is one of the classic Korean soups that will nourish the body with its rich and clean taste. The soup is so good. The addition of Korean glass noodles in the soup adds a chewy texture. We're getting some pregnancy pillow for my back and side sleeping to support my belly. Another perk of the Muji pillow is that it can be used outside the bed. I can put it beneath my lower back when sitting, between my knees when sleeping, and even behind my head if I was reading in bed. Done with our shopping! I will show you guys my little garden in the backyard. I love growing plants, whether flowers or veggies. It gives me a sense of accomplishment. I like watching something grow from seed and to harvest them and see flowers blooming. Drinking coconut water during pregnancy will help protect mother and baby from diseases. Let's sterilize our baby bottles. We got this Philips Avent sterilizer to try and sterilize the bottles. Before sterilizing, use a clean bottle brush to clean bottles and a small teat brush to clean the inside of teats. It holds up to 6 bottles and other baby products like pacifier, teether. Bottles are dry and sterilized within 40 minutes. This is convenient and effective sterilizer for baby bottles, pacifiers, and this is a game changer for parents. We're on our way to do checkup at Hanfuk in District 2. Our doctor advised us that I need to eat first before we check our baby. This is the restaurant I love and visit often every checkup. The dim sum here is super delicious. Ingredients they used were undoubtedly fresh.
Here we go.
We just got here at the clinic of Hanfuk. We're doing fetal heart rate monitoring. It measures the baby's heart rate, which is a sign of how well the baby is doing. The doctors and the nurses here are all professional and friendly to their patients. I got a lot of stretch marks on my belly during the third trimester because of weight gain. It's causing the skin to stretch for a long time and gradually lose its elasticity. I used some of these products and it really improved the appearance of my stretch marks. After I apply the stretch marks cream, I'll add another layer of the coconut oil. Doctor's visits are more frequent at the end of my pregnancy. We do checkup every week now until delivery. During my pregnancy, I gained so much weight and I experienced pelvic pain. When the baby drops lower into the pelvis, I usually feel increased pressure on my bladder and hips. I heard a lot of good things about raspberry leaf tea. It can help strengthen the uterus, improve labor outcome, and prevent excessive bleeding after childbirth. My childbirth preference is normal delivery. It's said to be this tea helps shorten the labor. I usually drink 2 to 3 cups starting on my 34 weeks and hoping for safe normal delivery. Just got vaccinated with anti-tetanus. This is the first time I tried beef tongue. It's quite strange, but it has the same taste as beef. Each dish is delicately prepared and presented with great flavors and fresh ingredients. Their beef wagyu was so good, it's worth it to try. During 37 weeks, I got serious swollen feet and hands. The cause of swollenness during pregnancy is the pressure of my growing womb. It can also affect the blood flow in my legs. I often elevate my feet up, drink lots of water to flush out excess fluid, and I wear loose clothes and shoes to feel more comfortable. I also got food allergy when eating seafoods. We register for which room to stay after birth and choose the birth preference for delivery. Good morning, guys! Today is May 9 and I'm currently 38 weeks pregnant. I've been learning online birth classes from this birth doula. There's videos about breathing exercises during labor. You guys can check it out. At 38 weeks pregnant, I'm already experiencing contractions. The nurse explained when I keep having contractions, it means the baby is coming out soon. I just signed the agreement for injecting the epidural during my labor. The epidural technique during labor helps for painless delivery and has little effect on the baby.